Hello, I'm Carolyn and I'm going to show you some Bollywood dance moves that you can try at home. Before we start, make sure that the area that you're going to dance in is clear and safe to work in, that it's flat as possible, that there's nothing that you can trip over and that you're not going to knock anything over around you. Put some nice comfortable clothing on and either soft shoes or bare feet. If you're working outside like I am, make sure the area is as flat as possible, no stones, no thistles that can hurt your feet. Okay, off we go. We're going to start with a warm-up, which is always important for any form of dance. We're going to work on our heads and our shoulders and our legs just to make sure we're nice and warm before we start dancing. After that, I'll show you some dance moves that you can put into a routine of your own, and then I'll show you a routine that I have made up. Okay. Before we start, let's think of our posture. So you breathe in. As you breathe out, pull everything in, lift up, relax the shoulders, and lift up. And we bend, and straighten, and bend, and straighten, bend, and straighten, bend, straighten. Swing the arms. And a bounce. Our feet apart, slow bends, and straight, bend, and straight, bend, and straight, bend, and straight. Knees go out over the toes, don't let them drop towards each other, and swing. Now you're going to step to the side, feet together, side, together, side, together, and back. 1, 2, 3. Again. And back. Okay, now we're going to reach, lift up and reach across the body. Then we'll roll the shoulders forward. And back. Now swing the arms round. Other way. Okay, step and tap. Little bend in between each one. Now lift the shoulders up and down, up, down, up, down. Now push them down. Step and tap again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now put the shoulders in as you step and tap.
तेरा ही जलवा
Now press the arms down. Can we go quicker? 1. Nearly there. Out loud.